Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Welcome back to my channel once again. This is Dow Jones hourly chart. Currently Dow Jones is trading 35,410 after making low around 380. Dow Jones is trading in weak zone. Resistance stands at 35,550 till market is sustaining above 550. Below 550 till market is sustaining below 550, it will remain in weak zone. However, current support in Dow Jones stands at 35,300. Dow Jones trend is weak, so avoid going for buy. Let's move on to S&P, then we will go for gold price. This is S&P 500 chart. From 45.82 it has crashed till 44.52. It has entered in weak zone, but a minor support in S&P still stands at 44.50. So even though S&P has entered in weak zone, I would not recommend to go for sell. Let it wait till it breaks 44.50. However, resistance now stands at 44.82. Above 44.82, S&P will turn positive once again. Otherwise, it is looking weak. Support at 44.50, below 44.50 expect 44.20 and even 4400 is possible. Let's move on to gold. This is gold chart. Currently it is trading 1788 after making high around 1795. Still gold is trading in positive zone till market is sustaining above 1780. 1780 is a good support. Once market breaks 1780 and manage to sustain below that level, then expect gold to test up to 1770 and even 1760 is possible. However, resistance now stands at 1802. Above 1802 expect fresh buying in gold prices up to 1810 and 1820. Let's move on to crude oil now. This is crude oil chart. Currently it is trading $67. It made high around 67.60 today, but since then it is going down. Still crude oil is trading in weak zone because the resistance stands at 67.80. Once market breaks 67.80, crude oil will enter in positive zone. Otherwise it is looking weak. A very strong support stands at 65.50. Below 65.50 expect 65 and $64. Let's move on to Forex. This is Euro chart. Currently it is trading 1732. I have given a paid sell signal to my subscriber. We have sold around 1781 yesterday. We booked profit today when market crashed. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. Currently Euro is trading 1732. Resistance now stands at 1780. Till market is sustaining above 1780. I meant till market is sustaining below 1780 it would remain weak. Current support stands at 1690. Below 1690 expect fresh selling up to 1650 and 1600. Once market breaks 1780, Euro will enter in positive zone. Afterward, it could test up to 1820 and 1850. Let's move on to British Pound, then we will go for crypto. This is British Pound, currently trading 37.60 after making low around 37.57. So almost trading at the lowest point of the day and trading in weak zone. Resistance stands at 38.20. Till pound is trading below 38.20 it would remain weak. Current support stands at 37.20. Once market break 38.20 and manage to sustain above that level, then expect British Pound to test up to 38.70 and 39.30. Let's move on to cryptos. This is Bitcoin chart. Currently Bitcoin is trading 46,490, almost 46,500. Bitcoin have entered in positive zone after cracking from 48,000 till 45,300. Finally, Bitcoin have entered in positive zone. Support stands at $45,000. Till market is sustaining above $45,000, it would remain positive. However, resistance now stands at $48,200. Currently, it is in positive zone, so avoid going for sell. Let's move on to Ethereum. This is Ethereum chart, currently trading 38.35 after making high around 32.90. It is also trading in positive zone. Support stands at 31.40. Till market is sustaining above 31.40, it would remain positive. Resistance stands at 33.50. Currently, Ethereum, Bitcoin both are in positive zone. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, please do share, like and comment on this video. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signal, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. I have given my number in description. You can also follow me on Twitter and Telegram. All links are in description. I will see you tomorrow, same time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.